Yes, for few days now, I've been very, very angry, so to say, about exactly what is happening around the world, mostly in Nigeria. I see these guys in Nigeria, black people to be so stupid and useless. Even though I'm a black person, I'm not going to exclude myself because sometimes we do things that we are not supposed to do. And sometimes the white people, the so-called white people, that is why they treat us the way they treat us. And when you look at the way we behave, the way we do things, the way we react to issues, and everything around us, we don't put things together. And that is getting me so infuriated. You see, after Donald Trump designated Nigeria as a country of particular concern, invariably he called Nigeria terrorist. He said Nigeria is a terrorist country, having watched their people massacred in thousands and in numbers, and they do nothing. The one that is getting me so annoyed is Very Dark Man. Very Dark Man, people see him to be reasonable, but right now is becoming so unreasonable. Do you understand? The way he's giving out and talking irresponsibly. You understand? I'm going to come back to Very Dark Man because what I'm going to discuss, I'm coming back to talk about Very Dark Man. Listen, before now, since 2012, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu already gave out this tip as a whistleblower. He told Nigeria what was coming, but they kept adamant. They blocked their ears, they closed their eyes, and they watched things unfold. Just because he's an Igbo man, and just because of crude oil, and just because of what they were insinuating, both Yoruba, both the North, that probably if Igbo man takes over power, he's going to retaliate, revenge on what happened during Biafra. What happened? Over 5 million Biafrans, children, pregnant women were murdered in a broad daylight. They call it war, led by Gowon. So this is what they have in their mind, and in everything Igbo man does is never good for anybody in Nigeria. So anything Igbo man does, they see it as they have come again, and they refuse to give Igbo man their rightful position. And even many Nigerians support it. Everything they talk about against Igbo, every nonsense they talk against Igbos. This is not why I'm here. I'm here today because after Trump said what he said, so many Nigerians have been talking, speaking from both sides of their mouth. Someone like Rino, idiot or mockery, that useless piece of shit, he's been talking trash. He's been talking trash. In the past, Rino Omokri himself complained how Christians were massacred in thousands. Today, he's singing a different song. Let's leave that. I want to talk to northern politicians. Since Buhari was on power, Christians in the north, all over Nigeria, we are being massacred in numbers. No single politician from the north that stood up to say enough is enough, to say that what is going on is not right. Do you know the reason? Because they are the ones sponsoring these jihadists. They are the ones sponsoring the terrorists. They are the ones sponsoring the killings all over Nigeria, both to the eastern states, both to the western. Even the Yorubas, we are also murdered in thousands, in numbers. But because of their intent of becoming the president of Nigeria via Tinubu now is the president. And what has he done? Even the North right now is against him. Do you get the point? But because of this, his intention to become president, they overlooked so many things, and things went seriously bizarre. Things went very, very bad. So what am I saying? Even the Igbo politicians, some of them, like somebody like Dave Umahi, Ojuzo Kanu, Hope Uzodinma, Charles Soludo, all the Igbo politicians, all of them, 95% of them, they are involved in this useless act that I don't know how to talk about it. All what they are doing is to clamp on Mazi Nnamdi Kanu because they know that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will bring all of them down to their knees. So they go against him. They went against him, and that is why he's still in detention. So why am I saying all these things? Now that Trump want to help the Christians, since Nigerian government cannot help her people, Nigerian government cannot. All what the politicians know is to loot, to steal, even abuse no more touches them. They absorb abuse like a man who is in need of water, like a plant that is in need of water. That is how Nigerian politicians absorb abuse. People have abused them. People have said all manner of things to them, but it doesn't touch them. So far, they are stealing and looting the money. They are very, very good. The one that is getting me angry is some Nigerians who are insinuating. In fact, are they still insinuating? They are accurately saying that United States is not coming to help Nigeria. Rather, they have something against, what they want is a different thing. That they are not coming outrightly to help the Christians, but they are coming to invade, to take over. And they are talking about resources. Is it not better that your resources are taken and you are safe? Very Dark Man, now I bring his case. Very Dark Man went to Benue. He went to Plateau State in Jos. And he saw how people were massacred. He was even shedding crocodile tears. So those tears he was shedding did not even touch him. If he could open his mouth to say that United States is not actually coming to help, they are coming for something else. That was what he said, and that was what he meant. So he is becoming very irresponsible this time. If he continues in this way, I'm very, very sorry for him. All what he has built will go down the drain. That's what I see. So many of them are talking trash, talking rubbish. What concerns the Christians if United States comes to take? Which resources do you have? Even what you have in the north, probably you mean Californium. Do you know what Californium can be used for? Can you make use of it yourself? Idiots. What you have in your country, granite, you can't even fix it. Don't you know ordinary granite can give you billions of dollars in revenue for a year? What do you do with it? Do you know how to process granite? Idiots. They are talking about Californium. Can you process granite to the barest consumption? Idiots. I call you people idiots because you are completely idiots. You know nothing. You are nothing. As a black rabbit monkey, you are nothing. I say it with all my chest. You guys know nothing. You are barely moving in the bush, climbing the trees, and you know nothing. There is no common sense in your brain. All you people know is material things, and you cannot even produce such material things. Only consumption cannot even produce nothing. Idiots. I call you people idiots several times because you deserve it. Let Trump come and help Christians. Since the so-called politicians, they don't care about people. They don't care about human lives. What do you want people to do? Do you prefer that you save your Californium and people continue to die? Is that what you prefer? Do you prefer that you save the oil, the crude oil, and people are dying? Is that what you prefer? Idiots. Is that what you want? Since you guys don't have brain, because you don't have brain. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said that black people are useless and stupid. I now agree with him 100% because I see emptiness. I see you guys without no common sense, without anything in your skull. No wonder you people believe in religion. Moving all over every church, every mosque, fooling yourselves. People are dying. You cannot help them. Someone who comes up to help them, you are talking a different thing. It is better that even China and Britain and United Kingdom comes over, America, and comes over to take over that Californium and take over the oil than losing human being. I rest my case here. Get out here.